Hey guys, what's going on? Now we're on the BMW R 1200 RT, the brand new one. The recently redesigned RT. And this is in a police bike trim. So this ain't no standard RT. We got the real deal, as you can see. Our lights are flashing. And our horn is on. And now it's off. Now this bike actually isn't in service right now. This is just a test bike. So the police are testing this bike for its roadworthiness. And so far they like it. They say it's outperforms the Honda ST1300. Which I do not doubt at all. Just feel that torque from that boxer twin engine. Oh yeah. There's our buddies on the Africa Twin. Look how capable that bike is. So, fun fact about this BMW R1200 RT is that it comes outfitted from the factory in police specification. So where the Hondas and the other bikes have to go to the aftermarket shop to get all the doodads fitted, this thing comes fitted from the factory with everything. And as you guys know, when things are OEM and fitted factory style, it's always better. Less chance of stuff breaking and less problems. I think that's Andrew riding the Africa Twin up there, and he's definitely getting some. That thing's fitted with the DCT. Right now we're riding on Michelin's Power Road 4s. Make sure you check my YouTube channel for my Road 5 video series where we really break down the new Road 5, which replaces this Pilot Road 4. Check out all those videos. I think there's like 4 or 5 in total. And of course, if you need to buy a set, make sure to use the link in the description to get a set. But back to the R1200 RT, this bike works really good. Very sporty machine. Get the lights on again so they know we're coming. Alright, cherries are on. Cherry lights activated, guys. We're ready to pull some people over. Make sure to stay tuned a little bit. We're going to ride the Africa Twin, see what that thing's all about. This bike handles very well for a bike of this size. These R1200 RTs are no joke. The police department says they don't really modify the engines or do anything like that just because they don't really see a point. These bikes are so fast, just stock. There we go, through the bowl on the R1200 RT. Let's get the sirens on. Yeah, I would not want to be getting chased by one of these guys. God, this thing really hauls when you rev her up. I would definitely say the engine performance of this bike is more than the ST1300. Way more balls. Still, the ST1300 handles really good, but God, this thing goes. Now, unfortunately, this bike's not outfitted with an AR-15. So, if there's some terrorists around here, we're going to be ill-equipped to combat them. But we will be able to outrun from those guys, because there's no way they're going to be able to mess with boxer power. Listen to this thing. Yeah, they're definitely not going to catch us. We're going to outrun them. ST1300, we could outrun them and we could fight them. We do both. God, I could do this all day. I should have became a police officer. I blew it. Suspension on this bike is just, it's awesome. It's definitely a little soft, but not soft in a bad way. It's more just gently supple. Now we'll go through the bowl. I love this corner. Bike handle is really good through this corner. Make sure we get those apexes right. God, I love this thing. It just rips. Brakes are powerful. Typical BMW modern brakes. They might not always look like they have the most high quality fancy calipers, but God, the brakes on these Beamers always just work really good. It's amazing what they're able to do when you match the components, when you use the right rotors to the right calipers, to the right master cylinder, to the right braided steel brake line. It makes a world of difference when you can match that stuff together. And there you have it, guys. That's a ride on the new BMW R1200 RT police bike. Let's hope that this bike gets in service. You know, if it does, the bad guys are going to be screwed. Make sure you tune into the other video I did on the Honda ST1300 and the Africa Twin. And we'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like or subscribe to this channel. And leave me a comment. Let me know if you like these videos or not. We'll see you guys next time. I need to have some donuts. Ah, just joking, man. No donuts. See you guys. Want me to make another pass? Want me to make another pass?
How fast, Bill? 107 at one point, but...
I'm sorry, what now?
Do you want me to make another pass?
Like, down there.
If you are, yeah.
Well, I didn't know if he was running the helicopter or what. How fast did you get me at?
I didn't. I got it, and we were all excited to come get you, and then that was the lap you pulled off.
Should I do one more lap?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I need to find, how far can I walk down?